Number 6. Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park or simply Luneta, is a historical urban park located along Roxas Boulevard on Manila. It is adjacent to the old walled city of Intramuros and is of the largest urban parks in Asia. It has been a favorite leisure spot as is frequented on Sundays and national holidays. Why is Rizal Park a famous tourist spot? Rizal Park, as the place where José Rizal was executed by the Spanish colonial authorities. It's also of great historical significance. The Rizal Park Visitors Centre provides a map detailing some 40 sites within this park. Number 7. Entra Murus. Entra Murus is urban district and historic walled city within Metropolitan Manila in the Philippines. The name from the Spanish word meaning within walls refers to the fortified city founded at the mouth of the Pasig River shortly after 1571 by the Spanish conquistador Miguel López de Legazpi. Why Entra Murus is tourist attraction? Established in the 16th century during the Spanish colonial period, Entra Murus was the center of political, religious, and educational activities. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction featuring well-preserved architecture, museums, and remnants of the city's storied past. Number 8. The Mayon Volcano. Mayon Volcano is situated in the southern parts of the main island of Luzon, 500 kilometers south of Manila, towering at a height of 2,462 meters above sea level. It is known for its perfectly conical shape, whose natural beauty has inspired a number of legends and art. Mayon Volcano is a stunning sight to behold. Its perfect cone shape and fiery lava flows are awe-inspiring, a must-see for nature lovers. Number 9. Tal Volcano. Tal is a stratovolcano with a crater lake on a 5-kilometer wide volcanic island within a large caldera, Lake Taal, in the southwest part of Luzon, Philippines, about 65 kilometers south of Manila. Tal Volcano is sometimes described as the world's smallest volcano or as a lake within a volcano within a lake. It is an active volcano with 34 recorded eruptions since 1572. Number 10. Fort Santiago. Fort Santiago is one of the oldest fortifications in Manila, built by the Spaniards in 1571 from what was once a palisaded structure of logs and earth built by Raja Sulaiman on the native settlement called Maynila. The fort is notable for being a headquarters of the armies of several foreign powers in Philippine history, including the Spanish, the British during the 7 Years' War, the Americans, and the Japanese. Okay guys, thanks for watching again to our channel. Thanks for the continued support to our subscribers to our channel, and to our new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, likes, and comments. Bye bye for now. See you on our next video to be continued, guys.